highs in the mid-50s. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of rain showers. Lows around 40. Monday, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of rain showers. Highs in the upper 50s.
This is the National Weather Service in Chanhassen with a test tornado warning for Wisconsin and Minnesota as part of the Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is a test. Repeating, this is a test. The National Weather Service, in cooperation with the Minnesota Division of Emergency Management and Homeland Security and with Wisconsin's Emergency Management, is issuing a test tornado warning for all of Minnesota and Wisconsin. It will be in effect until 2 p.m. this Thursday afternoon. This is a test. Take the time now to determine where you would go to a safe place, both at home and if you were away from home. Once again, this has been a test as part of the Severe Weather Awareness Week. Also remember, another test tornado drill will occur at 6:45 this evening.
This Thursday,